at all. Wonder where he's going. Looks like he's got coal. And all these chickens are behind me. Coke. Well, there's some Coke cars. What if it's all just Wheeling and Lake Erie? Where are those ones? Got some scrap in that one. Oh, they all got scrap. Here comes the grain cars. Usually the Wheeling Lake Erie train like end about now. By bay pressure. Coming off of the CSX main line that I actually rail fanned on. If you haven't seen that video, you go check it out. So it's just this really long and slow odd train. That Wheeling and Lake Erie. That was a long one. Usually Wheeling and Lake Erie trains are not that long. Wow. Alright. Wheeling and Lake Erie train. That's fairgrounds. All right. Peace.